Hey, how was gym class?
Terrible. I don't think I can take another semester at the school, Ruth. It's torture. It's worse than sitting next to a baby on an airplane.
So what brings you to Kentucky?
This message is transmitted at the request of the United States Office of Civil Defense. This is not a test, I repeat again, this is not a test. NORAD has detected the launch of an unknown amount of intercontinental ballistic missiles. These weapons have presumed to have been launched from North Korea. The locations of impact are unknown at this point in time. Due to this, everyone in the United States needs to get to a fallout shelter or an underground shelter. I repeat, everyone in the entire United States needs to get to a fallout shelter or underground shelter now. Fallout is a product of nuclear attacks. To long enough exposure can lead to certain death. Bring a battery-powered radio, water, canned food, first aid and other essential items for survival. This is a life-threatening situation. Do not waste time on this. Go right now. If you cannot find a fallout shelter in your area, local military and law enforcement will bring you to one. This is CBS 17 in Raleigh, North Carolina. We will continue to serve the Central City region of North Carolina. If you are not in this local area, tune to a local media station that is providing news and updates for your local area. This is the emergency alert system. All broadcasts and TV stations in the United States are transmitting this message at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. At this time, President Joe Biden has been taken to a secure and undisclosed location. One of the representatives of the president will be speaking on all stations in a few moments. Please stand by for more updates.
I'm visiting my family.
Ah, family man. Me? Single and ready to mingle. Tom Brunel's the name. Insurance is the game. And right now...
This is a CBS News special.
Please stand by for a message from one of the representatives of the President of the United States.
My fellow Americans, our worst thought that we have been fearing now for a long time has come to pass. North Korea has planned to attack our country with weapons that the world has never seen before. But we've responded to this. We have decided to make the call to make a declaration of war on North Korea. Unfortunately, evil will destroy buildings, homes, and families. But it does not destroy the American spirit of unity. Please don't forget who we are. We are the United States. We will get through together, one nation united. Our military troops have already been deployed to our bases in Asia. The President and his staff have not made the next step in military action, but this is far from over. Unfortunately, we only have a short time to talk to you. So I wish all of you good luck. God bless you, and God bless the United States of America. Thank you.